Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today I'm talking to you about the size of blueberry plants. This one is our standard quality. This is the variety Bluesbrothers in a 5-liter container. It's a 2-year-old plant, it's very bushy, and of course it will have fruits next year. Already in the first year in your garden you will have some fruits to test. And this one is our standard quality of the Yelloberry, of the yellow-leafed blueberry, a new variety which is very nice now in autumn. And again, this plant will have some fruits next year. And beside me, the much bigger plants, they are 1 year older. They were potted from this size in a 15-liter container last year or spring this year, and they have developed like this. Now they are at least double the size of the smaller plants, which is itself a nice plant. In most garden centers and in the internet you normally find 1, 2, 3-liter pots and not 5-liter pots like our standard quality is grown in. But these 15-liter plants, these solitary plants, which we name Luberissima plants, are very nice, and they have some advantages. The first advantage is they are bringing fruits, really a good crop in the first year. You will have for sure 1 kilogram of fruits or even more, mostly from these big 15 liters Luberissima plants. And they are also the nicest quality to be grown in a pot. For 1 year you can grow them further in these 15-liter pots, and then afterwards you have to repot them in about the 50-liter big pot, that they can renew, that they can grow more and have even more kilograms of fruit. I have seen in some gardens pot plants, large pot plants in 100-liter pots, which give 10, 12 kilograms of fruit to one plant. This is possible with blueberries, and the best start are Luberissima blueberries by Lubera in the big 15-liter pot. These are the advantages. So if you grow the bigger pots, you have immediate success, instant success in the first year, a really crop, and they are the best plants to be grown further in pots on your terraces and patios. But of course, our standard plants in 5-liter pots are also okay. They are bigger than most other plants, blueberry plants you can buy in the market. So go on gardening, especially with Luberissima big blueberry plants by Lubera. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera.co UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.